Welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer, your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we've got an exciting piece of tech to dissect, the DIERYA T63 60% wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. This compact keyboard promises to revolutionize your gaming and typing experience with its innovative features. Stick around as we dive deep into what makes this keyboard stand out from the rest. First off, let's talk design. The T63 boasts a compact 60% layout with 63 keys, including directional keys. Its sleek and minimalist design not only looks great on your desk but also saves valuable space. Plus, with the FN key functionality, you retain full functionality without sacrificing any keys. Now, onto what truly sets this keyboard apart, the mechanical switches. Featuring independently developed red switches, the T63 offers a linear and lighter feel with a lifespan of up to 60 million key presses. This ensures durability and consistency, whether you're gaming or typing away. Connectivity-wise, the T63 doesn't disappoint. With support for 2.4G, Bluetooth 5.0, and wired USB, you can seamlessly switch between devices. And let's talk battery life. With a 3000 mAh battery, you get up to 8 hours of continuous usage with backlighting, or an impressive 90 hours with the backlight off. Perfect for long gaming sessions or work marathons. Every gamer's dream, right? The T63 offers 18 different lighting modes and 16.8 million customizable colors. Whether you prefer a subtle glow or a vibrant light show, this keyboard has got you covered. Plus, with control software, you can fine-tune your lighting experience to suit your preferences. And there you have it, folks, the DIERYA T63 wireless mechanical gaming keyboard. With its compact design, durable switches, versatile connectivity options, and vibrant RGB lighting, it's a powerhouse of a keyboard that's sure to elevate your gaming and typing experience. Thanks for tuning in to UK Pro Reviewer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews and updates. Until next time, happy typing and gaming.